Hello everyone, welcome back to Matt and Dave class. 자, today we are going to make a short less than 1 minute. Okay, what's the difference between this one?
Rain, lane.
Okay, one more time.
Rain, lane.
혹시 그 all 발음할 때 입술이 나오네요. Rain, lane. Okay.
Rain,
lane. Okay.
Rain.
So one more time, 3 times consecutively.
Rain. 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 Lane. Lane. Lane.
On the side.
Rain. Lane. Rain. Lane.
One last time.
Rain. Lane.
아셨죠? 우리 all 발음할 때는 입술을 내미셔야 되고요. L 발음할 때는 어떻게 해야 돼요? 여기 앞니 뒤에 이 혀가 닿아야 돼요. Lane. What does that mean, lane?
Driving lane.
Driving lane. 자동차 길 있잖아요.
Anyway,
그리고
stay in your
what does that mean? This one.
Well, rain, you know.
비 오는 거, 그렇죠? 자, 이렇게 되겠습니다. Have a wonderful day.